Hello, my name is Jemmy, and today I am going to be giving you an overview of my day 3, 4, and 5 of being an AI builder student. So, my project, I talked with the mentors for the past couple days. I talked with them and I was doing some preparation for my data set, and my project is called Foodie Duty. Uh, Yes, and basically it originated from Food Dude, but then since a lot of people used Food Dude as like their project name or like a name basically, then we couldn't use it because we wanted to do something original. So we developed Foodie Duty to Food Dude. I mean, Food Dude to Foodie Duty. Sorry, and there's actually more meaning to foodie duty than you think. In Thai, this basically, if you read it, it reads out food di do di, meaning good food, good looks. Yes. So, but basically translating to English, it means great food. So yeah, that is the reason behind Foodie Duty. First of all, you should know what it does. Foodie Duty is a website or an AI that can classify or predict 50 different types of Thai food. And yeah, and I'm going to get back into Foodie Duty more specifically later on. But yeah, basically, it's going to predict what the Thai food is. And yeah, that's it. Now, the problem statement is why I created Foodie Duty in the first place. So I created this because when I went to Shanghai, I was really unfamiliar with their language and their culture, and especially their food. So I didn't know what was what. So I was just like guessing. I was guessing what food this is, and I had to try my luck. And I really found that annoying, and I want to, when tourists or like travelers come to Thailand, I want their experience to be just smooth. They don't have to risk anything. They can use Foodie Duty to see what type of food this is and how spicy it is, or the ingredients or the calories. And here is Foodie Duty. So basically, you have an unknown dish, and then you process it through Foodie Duty, and then it gives you the food. But in this case, it gives you four categories of the food: the name of the food, the ingredients of the food, the calories of the food, and the spiciness of the food. So this dish in particular is called Tom Yum Kung or Tom Yum Gung. I don't really know, but it's like karaoke. It's basically shrimp in a very spicy soup. And as you can see, the ingredients: shrimp, special soup, spices, galangal, which I think is a Malaysian paste, and fish sauce. Yeah, those are the ingredients. There's more, obviously, but I couldn't put them in the slides. But yeah, you get the idea. It will list the ingredients and it will tell you the calories, which is 65 kilocalories. Okay, so the calories, it will tell you the kilocalories for this dish. And then the spiciness, it will have the maximum of five fires or spice fires thingy. And then right now it is four, so this dish is I guess very spicy, but not the most spicy. Now the right now I'm working on the data set for Foodie Duty, and I got 50 of the most popular Thai foods, and I might find data of each food, or yeah. So I was trying to find some pictures of each food to train my model, and I will get 300 to 500 images for each dish, and I will collect the data with this website. One second, hold up. With this website, and it's in PyPy. It's JMD Image Scraper 1.0.2, and basically I copied down their code, and I basically just changed a bit of code, and I got this. So let me show you the files of my images that I collected, like so. Okay, I found it. So in here, okay, as you can see, some of them aren't accurate. This is Gangkyo-wan, which is green curry, and as you can see, a lot of pictures are very accurate, but some of them will have inaccurate stuff that I don't want, such as faces of different people, or cans food, or like in the process of making food. Uh, yeah, so there's a lot of things that are inaccurate. So I will have to do this process, which is hold up, no, wrong website. Which is to collect and clean my data. So after I store them in a file, I will have to clean it, and then the problem and solution. So the problem is that sometimes in my data set, when I download my images, some images have like lotus in their name, and people in Thai, it's like a lotus curry or something. But yeah, basically the lotus, there's a lot of people in Thai that is named Lotus, and there's a lot of faces of people. So that is my problem because it's inaccurate. So then what I tried to do was I changed into Lotus, which is I think it was something bua. So like yeah, it was bua or something. I don't remember, but then it was like a curry of uh Lotus, and so I changed from bua to Lotus, and it was more accurate. So the people normally don't name Lotus, but sometimes you get images of Tesco Lotus, like Lotus Curry. We changed it to Lotus Curry, and it was better. Also, we tried the karaoke language of Thai, like as you just saw. Let me present this to you. As you saw, Tom Yam Kung, that is karaoke, and so yeah, we try to use karaoke and stuff, and basically that is the solution. Try to use different keywords in order to get the better results. Now let's move on to this one. So if you create a database, then basically it will help out the community a lot, because if you have a database that nobody else have, like my database is about Thai food, and currently I think that nobody has created a database on Thai food yet. So if you create a database, you can help out the community a lot, and future programmers that want to develop an AI model and they have to look for it, then you could develop a database for future use of the community and yourself. So that is the database. Now the my model, in order to train it, I need good photos, and in basically it's saying that if I have good photos, I will have good results. However, if I have bad photos, the bad results will come out. It's kind of like that idiom called garbage in, garbage out. Basically, if you give your AI good images to train from, then the AI will be more accurate in its predictions, because if the photos or images are great, then they when the dish when the people or your friends or your families take the picture of the dish itself, then the AI is going to recognize it better because the images are more alike to the photo. So if you spend a lot of time in this process, which is to collect your data and clean them, then your AI will be a lot better. However, if you decide to just like throw your images in there without hand picking them out first, then you can expect your AI not to be that great, because the images sometimes have faces of people, so the AI will get confused on what is what. And yeah, basically that is a training model. Garbage in, garbage out. Good stuff in, good stuff out. Yeah. So now my AI will basically try to predict what is going to the food is going to be, as explained in the last slide. Like it will predict, oh, the perfume's going off. So basically it'll predict the food, and yeah, from the data set. And yeah, that's it. So this is today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. See you in the next video.